going on, guys? Cody Miles out here with the Battle Arrow team at Button Willow Raceway. This is the first day that we're taking the karts out, and I gotta say it's absolutely incredible. My friend Brad and I spent a couple months building these karts kind of behind the scenes, went a little bit crazy with them, so this is kind of the debut of having them out. Went deep into the powder coating game, and we've got some fancy carbon fiber mounts here for the handbrake, and we've kind of just been learning as we go. But overall, I would say a couple favorite things about the kart are the carbon piece for the handbrake, the seat, which for us was a game changer. Skinny, like narrow frame guys, did a 2-stage foam on the seat with a diamond upholstery setup on it. So super sick, super comfortable. Drifting a real car, or drifting a 240SX in real life compared to this, it translates. That's, I think, that one of the coolest parts to me is that coming from like time attack and drifting real cars and everything and jumping into these karts, it's very natural. It's a very natural feeling to where I can come out and slide with all the other kart guys and be right there with them with not really a huge learning process or learning curve. So overall, it's been an absolute blast. Building it was half the fun, but now driving it is just the next phase, and we are absolutely loving it so far. If you'd like to follow any of the builds on Instagram, you can check out Sideways and Smiling, and we'll keep you up to date on there. Real drifting, kart drifting, time attack stuff, all of it. Come check it out.